Hey Weaver, it's an image of the goats. So we have applied a filter over it. Then use the different designs here. Using the filters details as well. Make some more shapes. So we will have the designs as well. Crystalline there. Pick up the new shape with it. We have and also that it is we are using new visual